How are you, friends of FORZA Laser? We are with Shirley, our Director of Foreign Trade and Logistics. Tell us, Shirley, is this your first time at FABTECH, and what do you think of the event?
I found it impressive, as it is divided into 3 sections. Right. Everything related to laser-type machinery, welding, and finish.
Did you manage to talk to suppliers here at FABTECH? Tell me what you discovered at the event.
The most interesting discovery I made was that all companies, whether large or small, regardless of the size or location, have a common denominator. They do not deliver or worry as much about the customer as we do. What do I mean? We are exclusively at FABTECH in Orlando. Okay, and we have many clients from many countries here. And for example, if at this fair you manage to sell a product as such, you are selling in the US, and the customer can be from another country, any country other than the US, and they leave all the responsibility to the customer.
So, what you are telling me is that if an American company sells, it does not deliver the machine to the customer in their destination country, but rather delivers it here in the US. And it is the customer's responsibility to take the machine and handle all the logistics.
That's correct, and that's something I noticed in, well, practically 100% of the companies that are at this fair. There is a small problem: the customer is not an expert in this logistics chain.
I wanted to mention or ask what could happen to the customer if they take responsibility.
What is not specifically achieved is customer satisfaction afterwards. Okay, what are the main problems? Well, logistics has many variables that can affect it, such as delays, weather, traffic, many problems, including risks of violence and insecurity along the routes.
You, as the logistics director and an expert in foreign trade, what is your vision of logistics? How do you manage to protect the customer? Being the one in charge of distributing such important investments as those made by customers with us, for example.
Okay, well, first of all, we have a very complete team. It is very comprehensive. Among all these, well, of the more variables that I didn't mention that have problems, we already have the experience of how to solve them. By having the experience and making it our usual work, we can obviously guarantee that your equipment will arrive without any problems. 2009, well, in other countries, up to the ports locally, depending on where we are, even up to the installation site where customers require.
In simple terms, let's say you, as the director of a foreign trade and logistics department, are responsible for ensuring that the machine arrives at the destination country or city.
Yes, you summarized it very well. Basically, we decide what the best shipping method is. We define it as maritime, land, or air. Once we define it, we establish the logistics process. Within this logistics process, in general terms, we can say that from our factory, our distribution center in Mexico, we deliver the machine from the cargo, platform, or container, depending on the shipping method. After this, we send it to the port or the customer's destination, and after that, we handle the unloading if it's local or international shipping.
In countries where FORZA Laser has a presence, such as the USA, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, and some other countries, do you deliver the machine to the customer's home or workshop?
More than that, I place it wherever the customer asks me to.
Excellent. And what happens in countries where FORZA Laser may not have 100% presence and where we need to take an extra step? And I am specifically talking about taxes. How do we support our customers there?
Well, we provide comprehensive support. Within this comprehensive support, we communicate as the Foreign Trade and Logistics Department with the customer, and we take that extra step you mentioned. We conduct thorough research on what requirements they need, including tariff classifications, taxes, and we go as far as providing them with an estimate of everything they will spend.
In simple terms, what can you say about this commitment that FORZA Laser has to provide the customer with what we call the 360 service?
Well, we from the department firmly believe that we can help fulfill dreams. Okay, within this fulfillment of dreams, what do you expect as a customer? That everything happens perfectly. We aim to achieve that perfection and fulfill the customer's dream.
We are in Orlando, Florida. We are in the US. What message do you have for all the people in the metalworking world?
Well, that with us, they have absolutely nothing to worry about. They will always have the comprehensive support of FORZA Laser in all aspects, from the commercial side to administration, accounting, and even much more. If they are from other countries, we also provide logistics and all the support they will receive from us at a comprehensive level.
Okay, thank you very much, Cher, Sos Eos. Thank you. It has been a great event. See you later.